Hey, hi everyone. Good morning. So, guys, as part of this session, I'm going to give you a brief overview on this artificial intelligence. So, what exactly an AI means? So, basically, it's a system that can think like a human. Okay, so a computer is going to think like a human. So, Surendra, what exactly this means? Can you please give a small example for that? Yeah, let me give you a small example. So consider that you don't have any knowledge on selenium. So you want to learn selenium. So what you will be doing, you will be navigating to various blogs and you will be studying some information about that particular tool. Right. As we are a human and whenever we are reading something, that information will be stored in our brain. Right. In your brain, that information is gonna store. And if Surendra asks you a question, so guy, just text me what is a selenium. So how you will be doing that? As you already have some information about that tool in your brain, you will be simply answering that particular question. Perfectly all right. This is a positive case. And consider a scenario that you have read some information and I am asking a question which is not there in the information what you have studied. Then how you will be answering that? By using your intelligence, human intelligence. What you will be doing? You will be thinking in that situation with all the set of information, whatever you have, and you will be providing some answer for me. Okay, so here as a human, you are applying some intelligence and you are processing the data for us. The same way here, the computer is gonna perform the set of actions like a human. Okay, that's fine, Surendra. How this is gonna work? So basically, in a simple terms, I can say that this computer system will be fed with a huge set of data. I can say that this computer system is trained with a huge set of data. Whenever you give some information, it will check in that particular data and based on that, it will process. So here is a small example for that. So consider that I have a cycle image. Okay, and there were about a 10,000 different types of a cycle images are there. So I have trained my system with all these images information. So my system contains a 10,000 different images of a cycle. So in future, if I give that particular image, any kind of a cycle image, as it already has that information, it will be easily recognizing that particular cycle and it is gonna process as per that particular request. Okay, perfectly all right. So, guys, in a simple terms, I can say that AI can understand the language, whatever we are talking. It can recognize the various images, whatever we are giving it to it, and it can write an emails for us. It can write a poem for us. It can write an essay for us. Consider from a testing perspective, it can write down a manual test case for us, and it can write down an artificial intelligence can write down an automation test case for us also. Perfect. And one more thing is, from last a couple of years, we have been using this AI, guys. So consider this example. So you do have an iPhone with you, and you are talking with Siri. Who is Siri? This is an AI feature itself, right? So we are using this AI feature from couple of years itself. Okay, cool. So I can say that nowadays AI is everywhere. Behind the self-driving cars, behind the Google Maps, whatever we are using, whatever the social media algorithms that we are using, and whatever the language converter, the applications that we are using, everywhere AI is behind the scene itself, guys. Okay, everywhere is AI is behind the scene. On a simple terms, I can say that AI, it's a computer system that can think, learn, and make decisions like a human from the data and make intelligent decisions just like a human. Perfectly all right. So this is a brief overview on this particular AI, guys. As part of the next session, we will be looking at the various AI components. You might have seen a number of AI components like LLMs, MCPs, Gen AIs, LAGs, all those things. From today onwards, I will be publishing one lecture each on individual topics so that you will be getting a clear understanding on all these topics, guys. Okay, perfectly all right. See you again in the next lecture. Thank you.